Today we are going to learn how to create autonomous AI agents with ease at Wabee AI. Once we log into the platform, we can see the list of agents. I will start by clicking the Create Agent button. The first step is to select a base agent profile from the list. If you prefer not using a base profile, you can select the option Raw Agent and start from scratch. In this page, we will describe the main characteristics of our agent. Let's fill the mission prompt. In this section, I will outline the purpose of the agent. What do we expect it to achieve? How do we want it to behave? If you desire a higher degree of customization, you can also use this field to describe guidelines for driving the agent on his workflow. But in most cases, it's not necessary, as the agent has the ability to autonomously figure out what to do. The last required field of this page is the control prompt. In this field, we can add important instructions that will have a higher weight and allow us to have better control over the agent output. For example, we could instruct the agent to not engage in certain types of topics. Finally, we need to select which tools we want this agent to have access to. At Wabee, you're in charge of designing what the AI can do. Be thoughtful in which tools you select for your use case. For our example, we'll select the web search tool, which enables the agent to perform standard web searches, such as searching on Google. We also included the web browser tool, allowing the agent to load website URLs in a browser, and the graph plotter tool, which enables the agent to write code for generating data visualization charts. It is important to follow the best practices for automated website access. Make sure you respect the policy of the pages being accessed by the agent when using this tool in production. We completed the first part. It takes a few seconds until our agent is ready and we can start interacting with it. Now that our agent is ready, let's start by sending it a request that requires it to perform a few steps and make good use of his tools. We can click to expand the reasoning steps and follow what the agent is doing before giving us his final answer. Now that the agent has collected the data he needs from the web, he will prepare a data set and write code to give us a visual chart. Great, it's ready to write his answer to our message. Let's analyze these results. We can see it made a mistake, as it seems to have selected the wrong pricing for the OpenAI model. This is what happens in real-world scenarios. The data is often messed. In this case, it probably made a mistake because in the OpenAI pricing page, there are multiple prices for slight variations of the GPT-4o model, and the agent ends up assuming the value that is not what we're interested on. Let's write some feedback to our agent about the error it made and see it self-correcting and learning something from it. Great, we can see it identified a discrepancy in his first attempt. Let's wait it fix it, and then it should provide us with an updated answer. Our agent now has provided us with the expected response for this type of question. We just improved this agent by simply providing a feedback. To finish our demo, let's just confirm it actually learned and persisted what it learned. I will start a new chat context, and we will repeat the exact same question we made to the agent at the beginning. Okay, let's just write the same instruction from before and see how the agent performs this time. That seems right. We now have an agent that is reliable and will give the user the right answer for this type of question. That completes our first demo on Wabee AI platform. Thanks for watching, and get in touch with us through our website if you want to leverage agentic AI at your organization.